Founded in 1948, the Balboa Bay Club has shared a long history with the Newport Beach Boat Parade. The members of the BBC get to enjoy simply the best views of the parade. With the private members-only beach, you can sit at one of the fire pits on the sand or at one of the tables on the lawn and watch as the dazzling light show floats by.
Tonight, we are at the Balboa Bay Club watching the boat parade. It's going to be very fun. We're so excited.
We'll see you at Balboa Bay Club in Newport Beach.